So many speakers go out and try to give high-stakes presentations without getting any feedback or practicing. That's like trying to win an Olympic medal without any coaching or training. That's literally unheard of. But no one likes it or wants to do it. Do you think Michael Phelps wanted to do 3 workouts a day and hear how he could improve from his coach? Maybe not, but it led to great results. My name is Sarita Vasa, and I've been working with GrahamComm to help people hone their speaking mojo for the past 8 years. And one thing that I've seen again and again is that practice and feedback are invaluable elements for making anyone successful. Fortunately, as a speaker, you can do this without spending as much time as you might think. I'm gonna give you a simple formula for honing a presentation with 5 basic steps. I suggest you put blocks on your calendar to ensure that you do each one of these steps. First step, build your talk. Use the presentation structure we talked about in part 1 of building your presentation. This will keep you focused and high level instead of rambling and distracted. Be sure to layer in those pattern disruptions that we talked about in part 2 of building your presentation to create engagement and retention. Second, find someone to give you feedback. You can call on people who know nothing about your presentation, like your kids, or you can ask my kids. They've heard all my presentations. Or find a spouse, a neighbor. It could be a subject matter expert, like someone on your team. Everyone will offer you diverse and valuable feedback. Or if you want some expert feedback, you can hire a presentation coach. Wait, are there any presentation coaches around here? Oh yeah, we know 2 of the best in the business. Third, iterate on your presentation. Iteration often leads you to coming up with even better ideas than you had the first time. Thank me right now for iterating on this one because it was crap the first time I delivered it. Next, rinse and repeat. Get more feedback on the new and improved version. The feedback I got was it was still boring, but I'm working on it. I'm at least aware. Now, start practicing. Get one practice session on video and watch it. Then give yourself feedback. Ultimately, you want to practice 5 to 10 times before a presentation, and you can spread that out over the week. This whole model can be executed in less than half of your workday, which for a high-stakes presentation is well worthwhile. So next time you give a presentation, go for the gold. Get some feedback and practice, and you will be in it to win it. We'd love to read your own best practices and thoughts on preparing for presentations in the comments section. Please share this video with anyone you know who wants to be a better speaker. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll send you the next one as soon as it's ready.
And the bear just enters the screen on the side.
I think I got the first line. That's my name. Okay. I'm going to give you a simple formula for honing a presentation. I don't have any more. Wait, are there any presentation coaches around here? Oh, yeah. We know 2 of the best in the business. Sorry. It was crap the first time I wrote it. And you'll be in it to win it. And you'll be in it to win it. And you will be in it to win it. And you'll be in it to win it.
Give us hip hop.
And you will be in it to win it. Mic drop.